Welcome friends. Let us continue to study about the diagonal scale on my YouTube channel. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are going to solve the numerical on diagonal scale. Construct a scale of RF 1 by 4000 to show 268 meters and long enough to measure up to 500 meters. So here in the numerical, they have given us the value of RF directly. So we are not required to calculate the value of RF. So that is RF is equals to 1 by 4000. And what is the maximum dimension they have given? Yes, maximum dimension they have given is 500 meters. So let us start. First step is RF that they have given directly. So RF is equals to 1 by 4000. Next step is LOS, that is the length of scale, that is equals to RF multiplied by maximum dimension to be measured. So RF is 1 by 4000 multiplied by 500 meter is the maximum dimension. Now as the data in the numerical are in SI system, that is the metric system, we are required to get the answer of LOS in centimeter. So now we are going to convert the 500 meter into centimeter. And therefore the answer is 12.5 centimeter. So the LOS is the 12.5 centimeter. So we are required to draw a line equivalent to or equal to 12.5 centimeter. So we have drawn a line having the length 12.5 centimeter using the scale. Now we have to divide this line. So again we have to think, this line represents which dimension? Yes, this line represents 500 meters. So if I will divide this line into two divisions, it will, or each division will represent how much dimension? Each division will represent 250 meters. In the similar fashion, if I will divide this line into 5 equal parts or 5 equal divisions, what dimension will be represented by one division? Yes, it is 100 meter. So it is the, you can say, good for us. So we are going to divide this line into 5 equal divisions. So we are dividing the line into 5 divisions. So we have written here 0. So in the leftmost division we are not required to write anything. In the second we have to start with the 0. Then we have to give 1, 2, 3, 4. Whether it is correct? No, it is not correct, because this one division indicates or represents 100 meter, not 1 meter. So here we have to write 100, 200, 300 and 400, and this is meter. So we have written 100 meter, 200 meter, 300 meter and 400 meter. And this length represents or gives us the dimension 100 meter. Okay. So now in what you can say number of division I have to divide this distance. This is the distance of 100 meter. So if I will divide this distance or this 100 meter into 10 equal divisions, one division will represent how much dimension? Yes, it will represent 10 meter. Clear? So I am going to divide this line into 10 equal divisions, and each division will represent 10 meters. So that is 10 meter, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So that is 100 meter now. So we have reached up to the, you can say, 10 meters. But again we have to reach up to the 1 meter, because we have to show 268 meters. If we have to show only 260 meters, then we can represent directly. That is 200 here, 60 here, 50 plus 10. So we can show 260 meter here. But here we have to represent third dimension, that is the 8 meter also. So here we have to draw the diagonal scale. Clear? So here we have to draw the rectangle, and this dimension will be also a meter. Clear? But here what is the, you can say, length of each division here? It is 10 meter. Each division gives us the 10 meters. So I will divide this vertical line into 10 equal divisions, and one division will show us 1 meter. So it is a 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter, 5 meter, and similarly 10 meter. So now we have to draw horizontal lines. Then we have to divide the, you can say, in 10 divisions, topmost part here. So here also we have to divide into the 10 divisions. Now we have to draw the inclined line. So from 0th division in the bottom and first division from the top, we have to draw a line, that is the inclined line. Similarly, we have to draw a line from the first division from bottom, which is parallel to the previous line, or first division from the bottom and second division from the top. We can draw a line which is an inclined line. Similarly, we have to draw the inclined lines from each divisions. And last division, or you can say 9th division from the bottom and the 10th division from the top, that is the corner. We have to draw an inclined line. So this is known as the diagonal scale. So we have constructed the diagonal scale, which shows meter on the right hand side, that is 100 meter, 100, 200, 300, 400 meter, 10 meters on the left hand side, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80 meters on the left hand side, and on the top, or that is on a vertical height, it shows each meter, that is 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter, 5 meter, like that. So this is the diagonal scale which represents the meter and meter in left hand side, right hand side, and at the top. Now what dimension we have to indicate? We have to show 268 dimensions. So we will take the 200 from here, 60 from here, red. So that is a 60 line. We are going to highlight it, and then 8 meter height in this region. So we will highlight this 8 meter, and the intersection of these two lines, we will draw a vertical line, and this distance is the 268 meter. Kindly ask your queries in the comment box of the video. Kindly like and share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.